Hi everybody, it's Damian from Cavity Extraction, and we're up here in Kendal today and we're removing failed cavity wall insulation from a property that has narrow cavities. It's got a lot of debris in there and it's got white fibre insulation. The insulation shouldn't be in an exposure zone 4, and once again we find that the installer hasn't done his due diligence. If you've got a problem with cavity wall insulation, please don't hesitate to contact us at cavityextraction.com. Have a good weekend and I'll speak to you all soon. Cheers, bye.